I was shocked to see these places. This is the kind of place that comes to our world. Many people did not know that this place is actually on our planet Earth. We should go to all these places. What do you think?
Imposing stone sentinels stand guard on Rapa Nui.
So, before you get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Here are 5 unbelievable places that actually exist on Earth. Number 5. Underwater Waterfall Mauritius. Mauritius is known for his idyllic beaches and crystal clear sea. Just off the coast of Le Morne, on the island southwest, Mauritius offers a spectacular illusion. Sand and split on the ocean floor run off in a way that makes it look like they're pouring down a waterfall, or like the entire island is being sucked down a vast drain. An unbelievable phenomenon at the southwest corner of the island that appears to be an underwater waterfall. Despite how it looks, this isn't actually flowing region of water, but instead an optical illusion that happens because of the seafloor structure. The island sits on an ocean shelf which is no more than 500 feet deep at the edge of the shelf. However, it soon plunges down to depths of almost 2.5 miles, and what you are actually seeing in the underwater waterfall is not water falling down into the abyss, but particles of sand are being pushed over by the current. Number 4. Tianzi Mountains, China. Tianzi Mountain is a mountain located in Zhangjiajie in the Hunan province of China, close to the Shaanxi Valley in south-central China. Tianzi Mountain was known as Qingyan Mountain for greenstone. Tianzi Mountain is as beautiful as it is dangerous to look at. This hill is surrounded by clouds, so this place looks so beautiful. Every year, thousands of people go to China to see this mountain. Formations in the world covering an area of around 17,000 acres. They are made from quartz sandstone and first began to emerge from the earth about 400 million years ago. The subsequent erosion of the rock has created these tiny mountains, which reached a peak of 3,976 feet and are named after the legend of a farmer who led a revolt against an oppressive regime. Something mystical about them, and it's no surprise they were the inspiration for mountain escapes in movies like Avatar and are one of the most popular tourist destinations in the region. Number 3. Cono Crystallized, Colombia. Crystallized. This is the river. If you don't see it with your own eyes, you won't believe. The plants of this river look red brown. Even I also want to visit this place. Nathaniel Crystallized is a small tributary river that feeds into the a barren river of Colombia. But due to its unique plant life, it's also commonly referred to as the most beautiful river in the world. The fast flowing water passes through a region that's on the edge of the Amazon rainforest, the Andes, the eastern Llanos, and is almost perfectly clear. The riverbed has numerous holes and dips in it. It takes on a gloriously red hue and also provides shelter for other species to grow that add yellow, green, blues and blacks into the mix. So no wonder that this place is also affectionately known as the liquid rainbow. Number 2. Fly Geyser, Nevada. Fly Geyser, also known as Fly Ranch Geyser. It's a small geothermal geyser located on private land in Washoe County, Nevada, about 20 miles north of Gerlach, USA. Fly Geyser looks like it would be at home on an alien planet, but actually is the result of human activity. When a well was drilled in 1916 with a view to irrigating water due to the geothermal activity in the region, the water was close to boiling point. We see today it has a number of openings which the water shoots 5 feet high out of, and the entire structure is currently between 25 and 30 feet tall. Various platforms and pools have also been created across. Because it's heated to a temperature of around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, it produces water, something that usually takes 10,000 years to happen in other geysers. Even though there are a couple of other geysers nearby that have been formed in a similar way, but none are as large or as impressive as the Fly Geyser is. So therefore one of a kind and something you won't see anywhere else in the world. Therefore one of a kind and something you won't see anywhere else in the world. Number 1. The Gates of Hell. The gas crater is near the village of Darveza, also known as Darvizi. It is in the middle of the Karakum Desert, about 260 kilometers north of Ashgabat, the capital of Turkmenistan. The name Road to Hell was given to the field by the locals, referring to the fire, boiling mud, and orange flames in the large crater, which has a diameter of 70 meters, but soon found there to be a large spark of gas just beneath the surface. Now there are no official Russian or Turkmen records of what happened next, but according to the sources close to operations, at the time the ground collapsed beneath the rig and swallowed the drill as well as several tops. Someone calculated it wrong, because since that day, almost 50 years ago, the hole is continually burned. The crater is now approximately 230 feet across and 66 feet deep and is filled with fires, boiling mud, and ferocious orange flames. Plans have often been drafted to try and extinguish it for good, especially considering it's set above one of the largest natural gas deposits that are anywhere on Earth. Many visitors visit this place for curiosity, but after seeing this place, usually people lose the language they speak. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.